We'll guide you through how to test Stripe payments. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe dashboard by logging into your Stripe account. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look for the Developers section in the left sidebar and click on it. Now, within the Developers section, click on API Keys. Here, you'll see both your publishable key and secret key. You're going to use the test keys for testing purposes. Make sure your account is in test mode by toggling the switch at the top. This is very important to ensure you're not processing real transactions. Next, you need to create a test payment. Go to the Payments section in the left sidebar. Here, click on Create a Payment, which will allow you to manually enter payment details. Use one of Stripe's test card numbers. For example, you can use the test card number 4242, 4242 42424242 with any valid future expiration date and any 3-digit CVC. Enter an amount you'd like to test and any currency preference you have. Once all the details are filled in, click on Submit. Stripe will process this as a test payment, and you'll be able to see the result in the Payments section. If the test is successful, you'll see the payment listed along with its details. If you encounter any errors, double-check your test card details and ensure you're in test mode. Remember, testing payments in Stripe is crucial before going live, as it helps you verify everything is functioning as expected without risking real funds. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.